Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add alerts on Thinkorswim. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is open up Thinkorswim, and then from here go to the charts and then choose your symbol where you'd like to add that alert. I'm just going to do AUD USD for this. Now from here I want to go ahead and right click on the chart. Then we need to go ahead and there's an option here to create alert. So now a little create alert box is going to appear like so. So here's my symbol, so it's AUD USD. Now from here, price, so this is where we can change it. So we can do last bid, ask, mark, close, or study. So by simple mover average, Bollinger Bands, volume average, and we can add more to that if we like. So click on add it. So I want to go ahead and do a, what should I do? Maybe a ask price at or above 0.625. I might do 6125. And from here, best. Now I'm going to call, you can give this a note if you like, so add your note in here. And now from here, below we've got notify with sound, email, mobile. So if I go ahead and just, can I make this box bigger? I might be able to scroll down. Oh, here we go. So I can scroll down here. Alright, so when this alert is triggered, so we got bell, no sound, we can change that. We can edit custom sounds as well. We can send an email to all specified email addresses. We can send text messages as well if you want, send push notifications to mobile. Now we can send the following text and messages, so market, implied, sizzle index, so we can change that as well. And then from here we can show alert book after I press create. So if we go in and click on create, that's going to create that alert. Now it's going to come straight to MarketWatch after you've done that, and it's going to show you exactly what you've just done. So it's sent, it's got the time and date here, it's got the context, the symbol AUD USD, we've got the trigger, so ask at or before or below 0.6165, and it's going to show you the current price here, active, and any notes here. So that note is activated like so, or that alert, sorry, is added in to your Thinkorswim account.